Hello everyone, myself Deepali and I am the current student of Edisar Easy English Spoken Classes Telara. So today I am going to tell about the college, that what is the significance of college in our life, and means how we can develop our thing, about the college. So before going to the college, we go in a school, and in a school we would as like a unborn child, means then we don't know about anyone thing. But whenever we pass our 10th class, then we understand that no, we have to do something in our life, and we have to achieve our dream or our aim in our life, and it is a very significant thing in our life. Means if we did not complete our aim, so there is no value of our life, there is no importance of our life. These all things we understand after our 10th class, and after the 10th class, whenever we go in a college, then we means our mature level also increase, and then we understand that means how should we face to anyone situation, and how should we do anyone thing in our life. So these all things we understand whenever we go in a college. So college is a second very important step of our life. Without the college, we can't imagine our life. Means this is a very significant thing in our life. And friends, means the education is a very important thing in the life of each and every one person. Means if we did not take education in our life, so there is no value of our life, because education is such a thing that can give to us each and every one thing in the world. Means there is not any one thing impossible if we took education. So the all thing are possible for you. So you should try to take education, very goodly education in our life. There are many advantages of education. There is no disadvantages of education. Only we have to take that, and we have to make our career, our aim as good as. So friends, I will tell my topic about the college. So my college name is Dr. Gopada Khelkar College Telara, and this college located in Akola district. And this college is a very good college, because in that college means there are many things is available. Means recently I completed my graduation through this college, and this college is one of the famous college in our Telara town. Means there are many colleges available here, but this is a very famous college, because at this college there is no more fee of there is no more fee, and this is a very good college for the each and everyone student. So due to that, a student would coming here for taking education by the other villages, and it is also very good thing. And means if we think about the facilities, so there are all means nearby all facilities are available in this college. Means if you have to took even books, so for that a huge library is available, and in this library there are there are syllabus books also. And if you are doing a study of MPSC or UPSC, so for that type of book also available in this college. And if you are reading any one book, and if you think that you have to read any one thing other, so for that a newspapers, a magazine is also available in this college, means in this library. So it is also very beneficial thing for the normal student. And there is a huge parking of the college, and there is a one huge garden is also available. And in that garden, means there are many trees which can save to our nature, and it is also very good thing about the garden. And there are three buildings of my college, and the principal of Dr. Gopada Khelkar College is Dr. Dhole sir. And this sir is a very good, means his nature is also very good, and he would always trying to support to the student that how should we do any one thing in our life, and how should you achieve your dream in your life. So such a types of all information provide our principal to us. And if you think about the teacher staff, so teacher staff is also a very good of my college. Means for the 12th class there is the other teacher staff, and after for the post graduation or graduation there is a other teacher staff. And means there are all facilities are available in this college. And And if you will interested in a sport, so for that a sport is also available, means at the every year a one annual gathering would happening in our college. And uh, and in that annual gathering there means there are many sports game, means through that we can increase our all thing, means if you are interested in a post, so for that sports, so for that there are many games you can participate in that game. And if you think about chess, so the means chess tournament would happen in our college. And in that tournament, means a student got not only state or division level, but also international level also. And it is also very proudable thing about my college. And means a college is such a step of our life, that means at this time we create our many more memories, we create our a very special moment, and we create our new friends which would help to us. And means if we think about our college, so then there are many things come in front of us. And means for the annual gathering, a chief guest also come in our college, and they guided to us about our aim or dream, that how we should achieve that and what thing we should do. So such a types of all information they provide to us, and they motivate to us that how should you try in your life about our aim or dream. So means these all things are very important for our life. Means a college is a second step, as I told to you. Means this is a very significant step of our life, because whenever whenever we would in a school, so then means we would not understanding of many more things, but whenever we go towards the college, so and it is helpful for us. And means there are many facilities are available in our college. Means art commerce is available. And if you have to complete your graduation, so for that BA, BCom and BSc is also available in our college. And if you have to complete your education through the post graduation, so then MA and MCom is available. But MA is not available for the all subject, means it is available for some subject. But in a future there is one day will come that means it will be available for all subject. So friends, I think that you will understand all thing about the college, that what is the role of college in our life. So if you like my video, so like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.